The Quiz Point Speed Quiz. Alphabet Speed Challenge. Think fast. Shout your answers. Beat the clock. Ready? Let's go. Name a fruit which starts with A. Apple, amla, or apricot. Name an animal which starts with B. Bengal tiger, buffalo, or black buck. Name a country which starts with C. China, Canada, or Cambodia. Name a city in India which starts with D. Delhi, Dehradun, or Dhanbad. Name a profession which starts with E. Engineer, electrician, or exporter. Name a vegetable which starts with F. Fenugreek, French beans, or fennel. Name a sport popular in India which starts with G. Gilli danda, golf, or gymnastics. Name a car brand in India which starts with H. Hyundai, Honda, or Hindustan Motors. Name a body part which starts with I. Iris, intestine, or index finger. Name a famous Indian temple which starts with J. Jagannath Temple, Jhandewalan Temple, or Jan Temple. Name a Bollywood movie which starts with K. Krish, Kabir Singh, or Kesari. Name a mobile brand used in India which starts with L. Lava, Lenovo, or LG. Name a river in India which starts with M. Mahanadi, Mandovi, or Musi. Name an Indian bird which starts with N. Nightingale, Nilgiri flycatcher, or nuthatch. Name an Indian sweet which starts with O. Oats laddu, orange barfi, or obattu. Name an Indian cricketer which starts with P. Prithvi Shaw, Piyush Chawla, or Parthiv Patel. Name a freedom fighter which starts with Q. Qazi Nazrul Islam, Qurban Ali, or Qadir Baksh. Name an Indian festival which starts with R. Raksha Bandhan, Ram Navami, or Republic Day. Name a color which starts with S. Saffron, silver, or sky blue. Name an Indian musical instrument which starts with T. Tabla, Tanpur, or Tumbi. Name a clothing item worn in India which starts with U. Uniform, Uttariya, or undershirt. Name an Indian TV show which starts with V. Vignaharta Ganesh, Vidya, or Vansha. Name an Indian company which starts with W. Wipro, Wellspun, or Wockhardt. Name a food item eaten in India which starts with Y. Yogurt, yellow dal, or yakhni.